like the way you kiss me. I like the way you, I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss me. I can tell it is. Not trying to be romantic, I'll hit it from the back just so you don't get attached.
Is this thing on? All right, guys. I just made it. That was really hard. 88%, whatever, 90% of my ride was torrential downpours. My beard's crazy. Man problems. Shit, let me take a seat. Oh, I am smoked. Now checking in. Too hotty, reporting live from Spaceship Earth. Welcome to Pi, day 5. Bangkok, day 1 and 2. Chiang Mai, day 3 and 4. Day 5, Pi. I'm staying here 5 days. I think this place is like 12 bucks a night. The sun is gonna rise over here. The river that you can float on or do a tubing deal. Since it's monsoon season, they're not letting people do that. These are hostels right here. And I am staying at the Bodega. Look at this. First meal here in Pi, I'm eating at Nong Beer, which is a 2-minute walk from my hostel. I'm getting full. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, those are amazing. I'm getting full. Joker candy. 29% for those who give a rip. Been a long day. It was good. Coconut, fried rice, and shrimp, and with shrimp inside of a coconut, and they take all the water out of the coconut, put it in a glass, you drink that, and they scrape out all the coconut meat and like heat that up. So you get coconut, meat, rice, shrimp, and it's like hot and cooked inside of the coconut, hollowed coconut, and ginger and flavors that are at the capital flavor town.